Okay guys, I'm gonna teach you about attacking range.
Левша, вы обратили внимание? Броня Дендера довольно крепка, но нет.
Because sometimes when you fight with opponent 10 goes down, then backward very fast when you kick. Okay, so see, in this range, if you step forward and kick, when he backward, the same time when I forward, the kick gonna missing. So big, right? So this is my style, okay? When I'm fighting with someone backward fast or defend from the slide backward or lean back, okay? So I do this. 1 and 2. So you have to take 2 steps from your foot. 1 and 2. But must be fast. Okay, now you take 1 step back. Okay? Go. Pop, pop, ooh. Okay. If I take 1 step, go. See, right? So okay, when I step you backward, 1 step you go. Pop, pop, boom. Okay, and left kick, same thing. Okay, if I stand on my spot and skip kick, when he backward, see, it's gonna missing. So I have 2 steps. Okay? First step is just step, right step and kick, up, bang. Okay, now get the point. But in case opponent stand very far here, if you take 1 step, he step, it's gonna miss again, right? So I do this. I'm gonna take 3 steps. So 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Yeah. So I'm missing here on my spot. Okay, you backward up, missing, boom. Second one, you take 1 step, I take 1 step, up, boom. Okay, work. Okay, now a bit far, right? I step, you step, up, missing, boom. Sorry. But now here I take 3 steps. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, understand, right? Yeah. Okay, now you do. Side kick. Here. Okay. So now you take, move forward. Boop, kick, that's it, see, very good. Okay, again, 2 step kick, pop up. Okay, so now left kick. Right, on my spot, okay, stand close, you kick. Left kick, yeah. Shit, it's work, right, because I'm stand close. But in case you skip kick, I step back, gonna missing. Okay, so now, okay, take 1 step on the right step, up, kick, stay up, that's it, it's beautiful. Okay, and next one, if this way, a bit far away, but you want to do left kick, keep opponent backward, it's sure it's gonna miss again. So you take left forward, right forward, yes, and kick, boom. Okay, up, that's it. Perfect. Okay. So keep do 3 style, okay. Stand close. Okay, so right first is right kick, bam, opponent backward, you missing. Okay, so now you backward, pop, oh, okay, I can do left kick now. You backward, stop missing, right? Because you keep on the spot. So you have to step up, kick, boom. But you can stand very far. Okay, when you step forward, your partner backward, your opponent backward, pop, boom. And also, if you fight with aggressive style, right? Aggressive style is gonna walk forward actively. So it's very easy to kick. So you just step back. Cannot on your spot, because if I forward, you just stand on the spot and kick, the kick is we cannot. So you have to step back. Okay. So same time, if you want to do left kick, right kick, when I forward, you right step back, up, kick, stay down. That's it. Okay. So now, if you don't want to do left kick, same thing. If I step, you didn't step back, cannot kick, right? Yeah. So step back, then skip. Oh, that's it. Okay, step back, pop, kick, stay. So this learn how to attack range. Forward attack, backward